Supercharge your leads and listings partnering with the title company for your neighborhood farming. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking real estate farming in 2024, but with a twist. We're going to explore powerful strategies to dominate your target neighborhood. That's right, by partnering with a title company. Now, before you think this is just another knock on doors type of farming, hold on tight. We're about to unlock a world of data, cutting edge content creation, and genuine community building. So grab the drink of your choice, get comfortable, and let's go.
You son of a...
The Neighborhood Farming Challenge. You and I both know building a successful real estate business often hinges on establishing yourself as the local expert in a specific area. You want to be the go-to person residents think of when they're considering buying or selling a home. But here's the thing. Traditional neighborhood farming can be tough. You're competing with other realtors, and grabbing attention can be a challenge. You might knock on doors and send flyers or hold open houses, but are you truly connecting with residents on a deeper level? Are you building trust and establishing yourself as the neighborhood specialist? Enter the title company, your neighborhood farming ally with data and tech. This is where title companies, often seen as behind-the-scenes players, become your secret weapon. Top title companies hold a treasure trove of valuable data about your target neighborhood. We're talking about things like recent sale trends, average closing times, and even demographics of homeowners. Now imagine using this data to supercharge your marketing efforts. Think about sending targeted direct mailers, not just to a whole neighborhood, but to specific homes, streets, or zip codes. Title company data can reveal which homeowners are approaching their mortgage payoff date, potential sellers, or identify first-time homebuyers in the area. This allows you to tailor your message to the most relevant audience, maximizing the impact of your marketing spend. But data isn't all. Title companies can also help you with hyper-local social media ads. Imagine targeting ads for first-time homebuyer seminars to residents in a specific neighborhood. That's laser precision, folks. You're reaching the exact people most likely to be interested in your service. Okay, data is cool, but building trust goes beyond numbers. This is where the realtor title company partnership gets even more exciting. You can collaborate with the title company to create informative content for residents, incorporating some of the hottest trends in 2024. Think co-authored blog posts or educational video series tackling common homeowner questions like preparing for closings or understanding title insurance. But let's push the boundaries. Imagine creating a live video Q&A session on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, co-hosted with the title company to answer resident questions in real time. This interactive format fosters engagement and positions you both as approachable experts. And the trends don't stop there. Incorporate virtual tours into your marketing mix. Partner with the title company to showcase stunning HGTV style video tours of new listings, allowing potential buyers to explore properties from the comfort of their homes. But remember, real estate is about people. Transactions are important, but building genuine connections is key to long-term success. So let's go beyond the digital world. Partner with your title company to host events, networking events for local businesses such as vendor partners hosted at local restaurants in the community, or even neighborhood appreciation gatherings. But let's leverage the power of 2024 trends. Think about hosting a homebuyer bootcamp workshop series in partnership with your title company and local lenders. This immersive experience educates residents on the entire home buying process from getting pre-approved to navigating the closing. Offer exclusive discounts or incentives for attendees who choose you as their realtor. Remember, social media is a powerful tool for community building. Partner with your title company to launch a hyper-local social media challenge. Encourage residents to share photos or videos showcasing their favorite aspects of living in the neighborhood. Offer prizes for the most creative entries and use the winning content to further promote the area. By combining your real estate expertise with the data, knowledge, and community focus of your title company, you can create a powerful force for the neighborhood domination in 2024. It's not just about acquiring clients, it's about becoming the trusted advisor, the friendly face everyone knows, the go-to realtor for all things real estate in your chosen neighborhood. Want to learn more about this dynamic partnership and how it can supercharge your real estate business? Check out the link in the description below to our in-depth blog post that dives even deeper into this topic. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more title insurance insights, along with real estate tips, tricks, and strategies. We'll see you next time.